Niko togo chaka kuru ase county ya Nairobi ase Amaagacho manene Kicc ase litskulero mwanchu morigirira omora ibwensi ya Kenya His Excellency Dr. William Samoei Ruto abaga kubeka ese ogochakibwa gwe kamati elie egochigo saransa nabo egochora aba commissioner be kyombekeri kyobocholi ne chibibe gaiga sense ya Kenya IEBC mora ibwensi ya Kenya William Samoei Ruto nigo hairali bagelyo kwatebabuna eserikali yaye guika emyaka ebere igwonika yaede nigo yakolire omukia elyokorobya obugima bwa Kenya uchumi asensi ya Kenya nabo igo ebirengo byobugima bwa Kenya nigo muraibwensi ya Kenya Dr. William Ruto nigate abuna nigo eserikali yaye nigo ya bekiro mukia koranga eligoli die shilingi ya Kenya gucha $1 nigo lyabere likoba lironge Abaigo ligoli dia mabuta guchi Gokwanera.
Discussions as a country about our economy. As we know, the country has faced a series of economic shocks, including COVID-19 pandemic, globally high interest rates, and devastating droughts and floods, events which have impacted negatively on our economy and our capacity to secure resources for development and to also meet our debt service obligations. In the last 2 years, we have put in our best efforts to mobilize domestic and external resources to accelerate our economic program, pull the country back from the danger of debt distress, and set us on a path of economic transformation. These efforts have strengthened the Kenya shilling, reduced fuel prices at the pump, and lowered the cost of living, including the cost of essential household commodities. This year, my administration presented revenue-raising measures through the Finance Bill 2024, which were aimed at not only consolidating the economic recovery program, but also propelling the country to the next phase of investing in key social and economic infrastructure projects to advance our development agenda and reduce on our debt burden. However, many voices expressed disapproval of these proposals, leading me to drop the bill and terminate the process. It therefore means that apart from the people of Kenya asking us to consider alternative means of raising revenue, which I agree with, there is general consensus that the country requires to confront and address long-standing priority national issues, including national debt, public expenditure, and anti-corruption measures, so as to release resources for creating opportunities, creating jobs, and creating wealth.